Hello boys and girls, welcome to this presentation. Today we're going to talk about Unit 3, Lesson 7, Olympic Facts and Figures. Question A. Below is a text about Olympic facts and figures. Now the meaning of facts are real information and figures are numbers. We use figures to talk about numbers in sports. For example, in what year or how many times did anyone or did a country win a gold medal or win in a contest? Now in this question, what type of information do you think it will include? This question is before we read the text. Now it's about the Olympic facts and figures, of course. Now what kind of information? Very good. It talks about Olympic numbers, Olympic facts, what happened in Olympic Games. Now, as you can see, this text is very important. Now, let's read it together and then talk about the questions. Olympic facts and figures. The old Olympic Games took place in Greece 2,000 years ago in 1896. A Frenchman started the modern Olympic Games. They take place every 4 years. Now I'm gonna show you the important info in this text. For example, where did it happen? These are the old Olympics. Now it happened 2,000 years ago. Yes, good. Now we have many information here. 2,000 years ago. It was in 1896. Now a Frenchman started the modern Olympic Games. They take place every 4 years. The new modern Olympic Games, they take place every 4 years. Who started them? A Frenchman. Now, what's the name of this Frenchman? His name is Pierre de Coubertin. Now, Pierre de Coubertin started what? Started the modern Olympic Games. The modern Olympic Games. Very good. Now, this info is very important. He thought that everybody should enjoy taking part in the games. He said, this is very important, guys. The most important thing in the Olympic Games is not to win, but to take part. So he didn't care about winning. He only cared about taking part in the Olympic Games. Very good. Now, the next point, more than 100 countries took part in the London Olympic Games. So this is very important, more than 200 countries. And when did it happen? It happened in 2012. Very good. And over 80 countries won medals. This is very important. The athletes competed in 26 different events. Now, it might come in the test how many events that they have. It's more than 26 different events. Now, let's talk about this. This is very important. The athletes who come first, second, and third win medals. The winner gets a gold medal. Now we have 3 places. We have first, second, and third. What happens with them? They win medals. The winner gets a gold medal. The first one gets gold. And the second one gets what? Yes, gets silver. Very good. And the third one gets bronze medal. Very good. This info is very important. You have to know it. Then we have the 5 rings in the Olympic Games or in the Olympic flag. What do they stand for? They stand for 5 continents. Each continent has a different color. Blue is for Europe. This is very important, guys. We have 5 rings. Blue for Europe, yellow for Asia, black for Africa, and we have green. Yes, green is for what? For Australia. Very good. And then we have red for America. You have to know this, guys. Now, in the Olympic flag or the Olympic rings, we have 5 different rings with 5 colors. Blue is for Europe, yellow for Asia, black for Africa, green for Australia, and red is for America. Very good. Now let's move on to question B. Find these words in the text quickly and match them to their meaning. Number 1, take place. Number 2, took part in. Number 3, medals. You can use the text, stop the video, answer the question, and come back and check. Now let's check. Take place. Which one do you think it is? Very good. It's B. Happened. Number 2, took part in. Which one do you think it is? Very good. C. Competed in the games. And number 3, medals. Very good. What the winners get. Very good. Now, let's move on to the workbook and answer the questions. We have exercise A and B on page 40 and 41 of the workbook. Let's go and check. The workbook, Unit 3, Lesson 7, Olympic Facts and Figures. As you see here, this is the Olympic flag. It has 5 rings. Now, let's check question A. Read the text on page 43 of your course book and answer these questions quickly. You can stop the video, answer the questions, and then come back and check. Question 1. What do the winners get? What do you think the winners get? Very good. Gold medals. Number 2. How many countries took part in the Olympic Games in 2012? Good job. More than 200. Very good. Number 3. What do the Olympic rings stand for? Very good. The 5 continents. Good job. Question 4. Who was Pierre de Coubertin? Very good. Pierre de Coubertin a Frenchman who started the modern Olympic Games. Very good. Now question 5. Did he think it was important to win in the Olympic Games? What do you think, guys? Did he think that it's important? Oh. What did he think? Yes, he thought. What did he think? He thought it was more important to take part. Very good. So he thought that it was important to take part than winning. Very good. Now let's move on to question 6. When were the first modern Olympic Games held? Very good. 1896. And where did it happen? Very good. In Greece, yeah. Now, in the old ones were in Greece. Very good. The old ones were in Greece. Now, question 7. How often do the Olympic Games take place? Very good. Every 4 years. Good job. Now, let's read the speaking tip. Saying dates, years. 1981 means the year 1981. However, we say and write the year in these words. We can say 1981, 1896, 2014. This is how do we say the years or the dates. Very good. Now let's move on. Now let's move on to question B. Question B, fill in this word 3. We have a word 3 and 10 questions. If you answer them, you can find which game is this. Now let's start with number 1. The opposite of beginners. What is the opposite of beginners? Very good. Advanced. Let's put it here. Add. Advanced. Very good. Now, let's look at number 2. At the end of the game, the was 2-1. What do you think it is? Very good. The score. Good. Now, 3. The last game in a competition. What do you think it is? The last game in a competition. Very good. Final. Very good. Now, the next one. Number 4. The opposite of win. What's the opposite of win? Very good. Lose. Very good. Now, number 5. It comes after first. What's after first? Very good. Second. Very good. Now, number 6. The games take place every 4 years. What do you think the answer is? Very good. Olympic. Very good. Number 7. We won the game. We, the other team. What do you think it is? Very good. Beat. Very good. Now, number 8. You have to run fast in the 100 meters. Good job. Number 8. Race. Good. Now, number 9. Athletes win a... What do they win? If they come first, second, or third. Very good. They win a medal. Good job. And the last one, a point in football. What is a point in football? Very good. Goal. Good job. Now, we finished all of the word 3. Now let's look at the word in the middle. What does it say? Very good. Volleyball. Volleyball. Then you write it here. Very good. Now you can check by looking at the word tree. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.